how to turn on or turn off keyboard auto spacing on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. Okay, so first let's return back to the home screen. Tap on the home button, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now scroll down, then tap on More Typing Options. After that, we then go down and tap on Auto Spacing. In the list of available languages, depending on what language you have installed on your device, this list will look different. Now tap on the toggle button right next to the name of the language that you are using. And that's how you can turn on auto spacing. It will insert a space automatically after you add a word using predictive text or swipe to type. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.